straight gas. So I dumped the oil out, open up the carb. I guess I'll pull the whole carb off and clean it, since it might be a stuck float or something like that. This doesn't have the electric solenoid on it. Does it have a... There was a fuel cutoff switch on the tank. Whether they used it or not, who knows. When I got this, it was air filter open like that, out in the rain. They said they had a fuel problem. I don't even think they mentioned the smoke. I think they just said it was leaking gas everywhere. So it was probably just overflowing to the crankcase, and they just let it sit. So I spent like an hour trying to see if I get this working. I drain that out. That's what's gonna come out. Oh, it's on there. No oil in there. It's not as gassy. Mostly water. About to fill up. Need to go get another container. I want to kind of flush some of that out, but I think oil is going to do the job. I think ATF would work pretty good. Well, just keep using oil. You know what I should do? I'll put the plug in, crank it a little, put a little bit of oil in there. I don't know, a little half a cup, quarter cup, and try to battery up to that just to make it easier. Let it spit some of that crap out, dump a little oil in there, just try to flush it. Yeah, I don't know about getting this one running. It might have an extra carb. Got 13 horsepower brakes, but yeah, this thing's just sitting in water, sitting in gas. That's bad. I'm actually going to try to clean it though, just for the heck of it, for the shot. You can see it, it's even in the